Hey everybody, it's your friend Fizzles and welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Chapter 1 is finally here. First subscribe and tap the bell and like the first 6,000 likes. Piggy's already on my button. That stinks. Okay, it won't let me grab the key. This map is full of invisible walls. Why is there only one side of the volcano? Close the door and go in here. Oh, what's up here? Okay, blue key. Oh, yes, perfect. Exactly what I need there. Okay, go like that. Close the door. Orange. Oh, go quick. Hammer. I don't know. This place is so tight. I don't know what to even do. No map. Where does this go? Where's the escape door? Yes! Oh, no. This is too horrifying. Okay. Oh, I did save the plant. Oh. Piggy's up here. Piggy, what are you doing? Okay, Piggy's dumb. Piggy, come on. Can I reach that from here? No. Okay, Piggy, this is... I might risk it at this rate, because Piggy, that is not good. Okay, I'm going to go invisible. Oh, how do we get up there? Oh, do we have to jump sideways? Go up, go up. Okay, grab that. Okay, Piggy's over there. Just go up. Where did the green key card go? Did you guys see it anywhere? We're going to have another look up here. Just in case I missed something. Okay, here we go. Yeah. Okay. Oh, I have the white key. I didn't even mean to click on it. Okay, I can escape. If you guys enjoyed this video, like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell. Wait, did I say this was right at the beginning? I'm sorry if I did. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.